So the property we're on today is primarily a farm. The timber on it is extremely large. It's been growing for a long time. We select the trees that are damaged already, trees that are showing signs of rot. The timber we're cutting today is going to be used for a lot of things. We've got grade timber here that's going to go through the sawmill and be used for furniture. It'll be used for flooring. It'll be used for moldings. You'll get some good grade lumber off the outer jacket, the outside edges of the timber, and you'll also end up in the middle, you'll end up with a railroad tie. So for sustainability, the big thing we have to remember is it something we can continue to do forever? And by choosing to do things the right way, we can do that. Timber is one of our most renewable natural resources. We've got the ability to harvest timber today. As long as we do it the right way, we're selecting the right trees, selling them at the right time, and also have young trees always growing for the future so that my grandchildren and their grandchildren are also able to use those resources to meet the needs of everyday living.